Bike racks for SUVs and trucks provide secure, convenient transportation, protect bikes, and make outdoor adventures easier without sacrificing vehicle space. Today's video is about top 5 best bike racks for SUVs and trucks that are available in the market. If you want to know price and more information about the products that mentioned in this video, you may check the link in description box below. So now let's get started. Starting at Kravitz Cyber e-bike rack with ramp. Looking for a reliable way to transport your bikes? This electric bike rack with ramp is a great choice for safe and convenient bike carrying. It supports up to 200 pounds total, with a capacity of 100 pounds per bike, making it suitable for most e-bikes and bikes with tires up to 5 inches wide. Designed for vehicles with a 2-inch receiver, it offers excellent compatibility and stability. The upgraded V-shaped front wheel cradle and strong bolt system help keep bikes secure on different terrains. Unlike traditional racks, it avoids damaging hooks and uses a ratchet strap system with soft padding to protect your bike's finish. The foldable aluminum and steel construction makes storage and transport simple, while the rust-resistant coating adds long-lasting durability. The included ramp makes loading heavy bikes much easier. With strong support, modern design, easy installation, and a 1-year warranty, this e-bike rack is a practical solution for riders who want safe and hassle-free bike transportation. Now our second product is Trail V2 Plus Hitch 2 e-bike rack with ramp. The Trail V2 Plus e-bike rack is designed to make bike transportation safer, easier, and more convenient. With an upgraded 46-inch extended ramp, loading bikes onto higher vehicles becomes much simpler, especially for seniors and riders who need extra support. The included guide kit helps align wider tires and provides better stability when loading heavier e-bikes. This hitch-mounted bike rack supports up to 2 bikes with a total capacity of 170 pounds and fits standard bikes, mountain bikes, electric bikes, and fat tire bikes up to 5 inches wide. Compatible with 2-inch hitch receivers, it works well with cars, SUVs, trucks, RVs, and more. Built for security, it features a keyed hitch lock, wheel locks, padded clamps, and a strong 3-point mounting system to keep bikes stable while protecting them from scratches. The foldable and tilt design adds everyday convenience by allowing easy storage and trunk access. With durable construction, simple installation, and reliable customer support, the Trail V2 Plus is a great choice for safe and hassle-free bike transport. Our third product is WeIce Hitch Bike Rack. This bike hitch rack is a practical solution for safely transporting your bikes with ease and confidence. Built with reinforced steel, it offers a strong 160 pounds total carrying capacity, supporting up to 2 bikes weighing 80 pounds each. It is compatible with a wide range of bikes, including 17 to 29-inch wheels, up to 5-inch tires, and wheelbases from 31.5 to 62.5 inches. The smart tilting and folding design adds great convenience, allowing access to the rear of your vehicle without removing the bikes and making storage simple when not in use. The adjustable platform also allows you to carry 1 or 2 bikes based on your needs. For extra protection, the foam-padded clamps and hitch tightener help reduce movement and prevent scratches on your bike or vehicle. Safety features like the security hitch lock, safety straps, and included hardware provide added peace of mind during travel. With durable construction, flexible compatibility, and helpful customer support, this bike rack is a reliable choice for everyday bike transportation. Now number 4, Sari's Bike Trunk Rack Bicycle Carrier. The Bones EX Bike Rack offers a lightweight yet strong solution for transporting bikes safely and conveniently. Weighing only 11 pounds, it features a durable arc-based design that keeps bikes separated on different levels to reduce contact during travel. Its wide vehicle compatibility makes it a great choice for many cars, including models with spoilers. This trunk-mounted bike rack can carry up to 2 bikes, supporting 35 pounds per bike, with easy-to-use premium hold-downs that make loading and securing bikes quick and simple. The injection-molded arms and legs provide long-lasting strength, while the rubber feet help protect your vehicle's paint from scratches. The clean and stylish design includes ratchet straps for fast fastening and built-in strap management to keep everything neat. Before purchase, the QR code compatibility check helps ensure a proper fit and avoids unnecessary returns. With strong construction, easy installation, and excellent bike protection, the Bones EX is a reliable choice for cyclists who need a practical and durable bike transport solution. And our last choice is KYX Bike Rack for car hitch mount. The KYX Platform Hitch Bike Rack is a heavy-duty and versatile solution for transporting bikes on your outdoor adventures. With a maximum load capacity of 180 pounds, it can securely carry up to 2 bikes, including e-bikes, road bikes, mountain bikes, and fat tire bikes up to 5 inches wide. Designed for safety and stability, this bike rack features sturdy wheel holders, premium straps, locking frame clamps, and an anti-wobble hitch system to keep your bike secure during travel. The double locking system also provides extra protection against theft. The user-friendly tilt-down feature allows easy access to your vehicle's rear without removing the rack, making loading and unloading much more convenient. Compatible with most cars, SUVs, and RVs with a 2-inch hitch receiver, it offers adjustable wheel mounts for different bike sizes and tire widths. With easy assembly, adjustable design, and a foldable structure for simple storage, the KYX Bike Rack is a reliable choice for riders looking for safe, convenient, and durable bike transportation. So what do you think about this video? If you think this video is really helpful to take your decision easier, kindly subscribe our channel and click the bell icon to notify our upcoming video. Thank you for watching this video.